Hello everybody, today I will show you how to fix Windows Update failed error. If you are facing this error 0x80070643 in your Windows, make sure to follow these steps to fix this. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. Go to Windows search bar, type services, click and open it. Search for Windows Event Collector. Open it. Make startup type to automatic. Click on start. Click on apply. Click on OK. Click on Windows Event Log. Make startup type to automatic. Click on apply. Click on OK. Search for Windows Update. Click and open it. Make startup type to automatic. Stop it. And then start it. Click on apply. Click on OK. Restart your computer. Method 2. Go to Windows search bar. Type CMD. Right click run as administrator. Copy the commands from description and paste it. Copy the first command. Paste it. Click enter. Copy the second command. Paste it. Click enter. Copy the third command. Paste it. Click enter. Copy the fourth command. Paste it. Click enter. Exit and restart your computer. Go to update and security to check whether your problem is fixed or not. I hope your problem is fixed. That's it. Thanks for watching.